I held the hurt like sacred stone, pressed deep against my weary chest. It caved its name into my bone and stole the calm from needed rest. The anger whispered, "Hold it near, for justice breathed through wounded pain." Yet mercy's voice grew soft but clear. "Release the chains and love again." I dropped the weight, though tears still fell. Forgiveness didn't fix the past, but in my soul I heard a bell, a peace that finally came to last. For freedom blooms where grace is sown, and healing starts when heart forgive. The hurt may stay, but love has grown, and that's the love I choose to love, yes.